Good morning, class. How are you today? I'm going to talk about cross-contamination today to teach you about this very important topic in food hygiene. Around the world, every year, millions of people get affected with foodborne illness. One of the most common factor is cross-contamination.
Chef, I have heard of cross-contamination, but I do not know the details. Can you tell us what it is?
When bacteria from one food mixes in other food, it is called cross-contamination.
But there are bacteria everywhere around us. Why is it harmful if two bacteria get together?
Do you remember the class about cooking temperature of food and how different food cook at different temperature? If you do not remember that class, do see that video by clicking the link above or checking for the link to that video in the description box below. You all know that cooking helps to kill bacteria and make food safe.
However, different bacteria die at different temperature, right?
You're absolutely correct. Different bacteria die at different temperature. The internal cooking temperature that we learned for different meat is based on the temperature in which the bacteria present on the dish dies.
Oh, so like if chicken dripping fall on fish and we cook fish only to 63 degrees Celsius, the bacteria from the chicken will still be alive and can possibly make us sick.
Yes, you are absolutely right. That is exactly how illness due to cross-contamination occurs. We can prevent cross-contamination by a few good practices. Make sure that your food is kept separately during transport and storage. Also ensure you wash and sanitize all equipment before beginning a new task. And lastly, maintain your own hygiene practice. Tomorrow we will learn about how to keep food in the refrigerator to ensure that there is no cross-contamination.
If we follow all these practices, we can ensure food safety.
You are mostly right. Because we can prevent cross-contamination caused by bacteria. However, there can be other causes like contamination from physical objects or chemicals, but if we take care of the cross-contamination caused by bacteria, 80% of our issues can be solved. Do subscribe and come back to the channel to keep learning. Remember to click the bell icon so that you receive notification when we upload a new video.